another important numerical: rays of light from a luminous object, a bright object, are brought to focus at a point A. These are the rays. Of course, between this and this, there are many more rays. They are coming to focus. They are getting focused at a point A due to some reason. Before the rays arrive at A, before these rays, all these rays arrive at a convex lens of focal length 24 centimeter is placed 24 centimeter from A. A convex lens, its focal length is 20 centimeter and it is placed 24 centimeter from A. That is, from O to A is 24 centimeter also. Now the rays meet at B. By keeping the convex lens here, these rays which were earlier converged towards the point A, now they are converged at the point B. Find the distance AB. We know in case of a convex lens, the rays after a refraction, they bend towards the thicker part. Look, this is the thicker part, they are bending. So remember, B is not the focus because these rays are not parallel to the principal axis, so B is not the focus. Since incident rays are not parallel, therefore this point A acts as a virtual object for the lens and B is its real image. Now, how to consider object distance and image distance? Light is traveling to this side, to the right side. So anything measured from O to this side is positive. Anything measured from O to this side is negative. So OA is object distance, that is positive 24 centimeters. So U is equal to, A is equal to virtual object for lens and B is its real image. Therefore U is equal to plus 24 centimeter. It is given because it is in the direction of light. OB, which I don't know, in the direction of light, it is V, to be calculated image distance. Since I am to calculate it, I am not putting any sign convention, that will come automatically. Now focal length of the convex lens is given as a 24 centimeter and focal length of a convex lens is also positive. Explained earlier, this is the direction of light. From here to here is the focal length, that is in the direction of light, therefore positive. B is not the focus. Remember, B is not the focus because these rays are not parallel. So from O to B is the image distance to be found out. Now using the lens formula, 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 over F, 1 by V, I keep it, 1 by 24. 1 by 24 is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by 24. So I bring this 1 by 24 to this side, keep 1 by V on this side. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by 24 plus 1 by 24, that is 2 by 24, that is 1 by 12, which implies V is equal to 12 centimeter. So the image distance is 12 centimeter. Now another one, a second one. A converging beam of light forms a sharp image on a screen. Look, this is a converging beam. This is a screen. In the absence of this lens, these rays were converging towards the point O on the screen S. A lens is placed in path. This is a lens. I don't know whether it is a convex lens or a concave lens initially. A lens is placed in path of the beam at a distance 10 centimeter from the screen S1. This is placed at a distance 10 centimeter from here. It is found that the screen has to be moved 8 centimeter further away from the lens to obtain a sharp image. Now it is given, after putting the lens here, the screen has to be moved away screen has to move away from the lens by 8 centimeter so that these rays come to focus again at the second position of the screen at eye here. Find the focal length of the lens and state whether it is a convex or concave lens. Now, rays of light in a lens bend towards the thicker part after refraction. Means, we have studied before, if this was a concave lens, now rays after refraction they bend towards the thicker part. Look, this is the thicker part, this part is thinner. So since it is given, the screen has to be shifted further away. Therefore these rays from this point and this point, if they bend to this side, if they bend to this side only, then the screen will be shifted away. So the conclusion is, therefore the lens is a concave lens. Screen is shifted away, therefore it is a concave lens. Now, therefore O is the virtual object for the lens and I is its real image. Now the direction of light is to this side. From here to this side is positive. So the distance of O from this point is in the direction of light, that is positive, 10 centimeter. Now image is here in the direction of light, that is from here to here, is also positive. So from here to here will be 10 plus 8, that is equal to 18 centimeter. Now use the lens formula. Therefore 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u implies 1 by f is equal to 1 by v, that is plus 18 minus 1 over u 10. So LCM is 180. So this becomes 10 minus 18. So that is equal to minus 8 over 180. So cross multiply this with this, we get f is equal to minus 180 over 8, that is equal to minus 22.5 centimeter. And the negative sign indicates the lens is also a concave lens.